Okay, friends, we are going to do a Z, which also has a slide very similar to the X you did. For a Z, you first go across, then you get to slide to the left and back across. So another slide letter. The uppercase is the same as lower. So across, slide, across, across, slide, across. Make those lines as straight as possible. Across, slide, across. And when you do your lowercase, we're just going in, across. Stay in the lines. You can trace the line across, slide, trace the line across. Then you are writing 3 words. We're writing zipper twice, puzzle twice, and pizza twice. Lots of Z's. I'll show you zipper. You do pizza and puzzle. Okay? Good job, friends.